These are definitely the biggest and most beautiful muffins I ever made. Hi guys, I'm Johnny, and today I'm going to show you how to make my very delicious, moist and tasty chocolate chip muffins. These muffins are so delicious. This is just my basic muffin batter, but you can add any flavoring that you want, like blueberries and lemon, anything that you want. These are so delicious and very easy to make. So let's get started. So guys, what we're going to do is to sift our dry ingredients. So here in this large bowl, I have a sift, and I'm going to go ahead and sift my all-purpose flour, my baking powder, baking soda, salt, and my white granulated sugar. I'm gonna sift it all together. What this does is give air to your flour and make your muffin nice and soft and fluffy. So once it's nice and sifted, you're just gonna set it aside until you're ready to use it. In a separate jug or a different bowl, we're going to go ahead and mix our wet ingredients. So here I'm going to go ahead and add some sour cream, or you can use plain Greek yogurt or plain yogurt. Add some milk, crack in some egg, add vanilla extra and melted butter, and using a whisk or a fork, mix everything together until it is nice and combined. So here in this small bowl, I have some semi-sweet chocolate chips that I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of your dry ingredients and mix everything until it is nice and coated. What this does is prevent your chocolate chips from sinking to the bottom of your cup of your muffins, and so they will be distributed evenly among the batter. So I am using semi-sweet chocolate chips, but I usually use milk chocolate chips. I just didn't have them, so I just use what I have, but I really love with the milk chocolate. It is much a little sweeter and it's just perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my wet ingredients and add them into my dry, and I'm going to mix it all together until there's no lumps, but make sure you don't over mix. After that, we're going to go ahead and fold in our chocolate chips. Just fold them in until they are well incorporated with the batter. So here I have a jumbo muffin pan. These are gonna be like the big muffin pan, the big muffins, but you can use the regular 12 muffin pan. So I just added some liners in there. If you're not using liners, you can just spray them with a non-stick cooking spray, or add some butter and flour to prevent them from sticking. So you're just going to add the muffin batter. So guys, once you add your muffin batter in each of them, you're going to go ahead and add some chocolate chips on top, and we're going to bake these at a 400 Fahrenheit for 23 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted to the center comes out clean. And after that, you might want to let them cool for about a minute in the pan. Then you can remove it and serve warm, or you can allow them to cool completely, and after that, just dig in. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for chocolate chip muffins. These muffins are perfect. The recipe will be in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.